Hey guys, Josh with Josh Your Mobile Auto Detailing here. I'm sorry you haven't seen me much. I haven't really been making videos, and I've been meaning to. It's just I haven't been doing it. So here I am. Today I'm going to make a video that's not on detailing. It's not on my mobile setup, but it's on my personal car, a 2015 Focus ST. I'm going to be doing the video on the exhaust setup, but for anyone that's interested in my mobile detailing setup and business, I will be making a lot more videos from this point forward, and I apologize for being so just hidden because I haven't been producing anything, but that's going to change. As you can see, my van has changed quite a bit. I got a wrap, which is fantastic, and the inside of the van's changed a bit. And anyway, we'll go over that when I do a video on the van. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate that, you guys, and really just seeing the continued amount of people that subscribe makes me realize people want to see some videos, so I need to produce some content for people to enjoy, and that's my plan. So subscribe, like, help me out. I used to have a 2015 or 2014 Ford Explorer Limited, and it had, pretty much all the cool features that no one really needs, and I switched it out to this 2015 Focus ST, and it's just pretty much the base model, but I love it. I'm gonna just do a rundown of my modifications for my 2015 Ford Focus ST. It's a base model. I'm running all modifications to make it stage 3, meaning that's basically just a intake, a rear motor mount. I got a Cobb rear motor mount, a Cobb access port, a CNT downpipe. It's a Catless downpipe, and I got a JST E30 Pro Tune, which is awesome. And I also got the bushings for the short throw. I got a 1 pound really cool show you the shift knob since I lost my camera. It's about 1 pound or 1.1 pounds. It's awesome. Very heavy. Works well with the bushings because the bushings are a bit tight. It works really well. Got to figure out some camera angles in my car and we could go on some drives, but anyway. And I also got a resonator delete. And I also had a cutout installed before the muffler. So I'm full straight pipe with a switch. That switch right there, full straight pipe. And I'll show you. So got my stock muffler, and then I got this cutout, which is pretty much just a novelty item to make your car really loud and obnoxious. And that's really what I was going for, is just straight pipe with the flip of a switch. So I don't have to be stuck at straight pipe every day. I could just flip the switch and then I'm relatively quiet again. So anyway, let's do start up with we'll do a startup with the cutout open and then a startup with the cutout closed. So I'll put some captions below so you can see, and let's go from there. First with the cutoff closed, windows down. Alright, that's first, second, third. Here's second, cutout open. It's well worth it to be obnoxious, as long as you can turn it off. Ready? All right. hope that turned out good. That's about all the footage I'm going to do today, so hopefully. Aw, that sucks. Alright guys, that's going to do it for the video. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this video helped you guys out deciding which route to go with an exhaust system for the Focus ST. There's so many different routes, there's so many different options and ways you could go about it. I really love the way I went about it, and my car looks real sleeper-ish and surprises a lot of people, and that's the way I wanted to do it. So don't forget to like the video, guys, and I appreciate you watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like cars and you like detailing videos. That's basically what it's going to be about. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next time. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram at josher.biz. Please follow josher.biz. Thanks guys.